and thereof. Early lead is taken by Nurture Nature. It's Nurture Nature in the lead, followed by Daluyong in second. And by the rail in third is Radiant Talisman. Prodigy on the outside, and bringing up the rear is Appendectomy. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Nurture Nature by half a length on the outside. Daluyong by the rail in second. Radiant Talisman running in third. Prodigy moving up on the outside. And Appendectomy. And at the far turn, Nurture Nature by half a length. Daluyong remains in second on the inside. And Prodigy running in third. Radiant Talisman in fourth. And Appendectomy is bringing up the rear. At the top of the stretch, it is still Nurture Nature by a length and a half, followed by Daluyong on the inside. And Prodigy on the further outside. Radiant Talisman. But it's still Nurture Nature in the lead. It's Nurture Nature, Daluyong by the rail, Prodigy, Radiant Talisman, Appendectomy, and finally at the payoff line, it's going to be entry number 4, Nurture Nature, Prodigy, Radiant Talisman, Daluyong, and Appendectomy.
Okay, 4-5-2-3 order of